In my world, it's always grilling season and it's always taco season, so I'm super thrilled that there's a new lineup of Weber grills for 2025, including a long-awaited refresh of the best-selling Spirit grill. I got to check some of them out, whip up some delicious food. Here's what you need to know. Starting off with the new Spirit gas grill, such an iconic product line, and now it has some extra bells and whistles while still keeping value in mind, starting at $399. It's low profile, 2, 3, and 4 burner configurations, the propane tank tucks underneath. You'll also find the grease trap here. Weber says the proprietary boost burners increase power output by 40% over the traditional high setting, fueling the grill's sear zone, designed to reach 750 degrees so you can get that caramelization or char. In this case, we threw some skirt steak on there for like a minute, if that, on each side. Super fast cook. There's even a digital thermometer so you can always know what the temperature is like inside. You might have already caught some of them in this video, but Weber is also going big on the accessories this year. It's called the Weber Work System, and there's things like a caddy, a cup holder, cutting board, and new this year is a battery-powered LED light. There's all sorts of little add-ons. Weber Works is compatible with all of the new units for 2025, including a new size option for the Weber Slate Griddle. I actually gave the 36-inch one 5 out of 5 stars in my review. It is that good. Priced at $549, the Slate 28 is looking like a score. But another thing that I think will get a lot of people interested is the Weber Smoque, spelled S-M-O-Q-U-E. Clever, I know. The brand's first wood pellet smoker that cooks between 180 and 500 degrees. It has a full-size concealed grease sheet with additional air venting, promoting an even cook for whatever you're making. We've got a 20-pound hopper that claims to burn for over 24 hours, and a pellet dump system if you ever want to change out the pellet variety for flavor. The 22-inch version is $699, while the 34-inch XL goes for $899. And that about does it for the Weber Grill collection for 2025. Let me know if we should call any of these in to test out, and let me know in the comments if you're already considering getting one. I mean, these tacos are certainly convincing to me, clearly. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.